Welcome back to my another new video, guys. So in this video I'll share the important lesson. So first of all, behind me this spot is very nice, and some kids are playing on the small spot. And uh, have a look this. There are many nature trees. Before few weeks ago, lychee are hanging, and the lychee are very delicious. So in this time they are finished because almost time is over for lychee season. And sky is very clear. Sometimes the sky is very cloudy. So never lose today's happiness. Uh, Thinking about studies